Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Uber Eats using a bike. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to first do is open up a web browser and go to Google and then type in Uber Eats driver sign up. Then from here we want to click onto where it says deliver with Uber Eats, be your own boss from uber.com. Now they got some requirements of being a partner with Uber Eats. So depending where you are, you need at least be 18 years of age or legal age and have a valid government issue photo ID. This can be a passport, driver's license, etc. Now from here, what we need to do is click on the get started. And then it'll say what's your phone number or email. So we can put in a phone number, email, click continue, or we can sign up with a Google account, Apple account. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. I'm going to choose my account here.